On his nose like Rudolph. Pull up to the scene all white with the roof off. Take that little bitch to the roof. Chris fuck up and fuck on her sister, I'm ruthless. Chill on the 6 when I'm fucking on Poochie. That bitch was ugly but pussy on smoothie. Play with that kitty like hello. Take a step back then I bust it like mellow. Aiming at you and your fellows. My new bitch hello. She blow that dick like a cello. Fuck up and send that bitch home on the metro. Ooh, your nigga fall like a pigeon. Bitch say these friends, they be hot in my vision. Make sure all my niggas eat, that's the mission. No more wishing, I'ma go get it, I got it. Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
Open your eye, bitch, you see all this money. Make that little bitch tape a brick to her stomach. You not the gang, we don't kick it or punt it. Jump out the rave and I ride the Titanic. Look at the numbers, mechanics ain't frontin'. I came from the link with this jail, I got punished. Ooh, pulling no fun for the Kruger. Wow, my niggas turn back recruiter. You capping, I came from trapping. I used to have the dope stashed in the cabinet. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my paddock, I'm flexing on petty. I put the pussy the first time I met it. Won't give you no credit, you ate it spaghetti. I cut the brick with machetes. Married the money, the bitch wasn't ready.
Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 bitch, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not.
Can't sit back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. What you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? You wait on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. but you can't know me, 'cause it's
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. It's different. This shit.
Evidence we miss, and I'm not moving up with you. I like the way you screw your face, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't bring no way out to it. It's the same, and I can't blame myself for loving you. Don't do it. All that I know is there was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Reshine Hair, and today I'm reviewing this really pretty kinky curly unit. It claims to be a reddish brown unit, but I definitely think they sent me a 99J unit because I've been doing a lot of like reddish brown units lately, and I think I have that color down pack. I think I know exactly what it looks like, and it doesn't look like this. So this is definitely a 99J color. If I come up closer, you guys can definitely tell that this is definitely burgundy. It's not reddish brown, but this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, and I do currently have this unit in an 18-inch, and I know you guys are like, that's 18 inches? Yes, this is an 18-inch. The reason why it looks a lot shorter than what it actually is because of the curl pattern. The curl pattern on this unit is very tight, so the tighter it is, the shorter it looks. If I pull the hair down, you guys can see it goes way down here. Okay, so it's definitely an 18-inch, but because of the curl pattern, it definitely looks a lot shorter. The other thing that you have to factor in with this unit as well, because it is a kinky curly texture, it is very, very full. I'm not sure on the density for this unit, but it has to be at least like 200% density, maybe even more than that. I'm not exactly sure. Of course, you guys know I will leave all the details down below in the description box, but this is a very dense, full unit. And of course, you guys know I love this color. It looks very beautiful. Absolutely love it. And it has a very natural look to it, which is another plus for me, especially like as I come up closer, you guys can see like how I got the edges going and everything. You don't have to add baby hairs if you don't want to, but it's definitely like, you know, what I felt like doing, because I felt like if I didn't put the baby hairs, it would be a little too plain. So I feel like it just added a little bit of character to it, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. As you guys can see, I don't have any baby hairs here in the front, and it still looks very natural, and it looks pretty good. I really do like it. I actually might leave it like this for now, even though I did have it in a flip over. I actually kind of like it like this. One of the cons when it comes to a unit like this is because the hair is so curly, I'm more likely to tangle. It's more likely to shed, and it's more likely to have breakage because the hair is such a tight curl, and you definitely will end up having like some matting up in the back. So you just want to make sure when you have a unit like this that you really take care of it and you're like on top of the maintenance, because this isn't a low maintenance wig. This is a very high maintenance unit, and you're gonna need to treat it with care. You're gonna want to make sure that you're detangling, keeping your hair moisturized with conditioner. You definitely want to do like some co-washes with this unit. And as far as customizing goes today, I did pluck the hairline and I did wash the unit, but I did not bleach the knots on this unit. When you have a unit this color, you don't need to bleach the knots. If you want to, you could, but it's just not really necessary, honestly. As you guys can see, I didn't bleach my knots. It still looks very natural all the way around. Like even up close, you know? So you don't have to bleach your knots on the unit like this. So I definitely like that about it. And it's just very fun and just flowy. I've been doing like a lot of long hair units. Like I've been doing like a lot of 24, 26, even 30-inch units. And I haven't done like a bob in a really long time. So I wanted to do like a really cute like curly bob. And I feel like this was the perfect unit for that because it has more character than just, you know, your standard natural colored unit. And I love this color. I think it complements my skin tone very well, and it's a universal color. Everyone can get away with it, and of course it's perfect for this time of year where it's like in the colder months. We really like to pop out with these wine colors. Even though this is a 13x4 lace frontal, on the sides you get like barely any type of like lace on the side. You literally have enough lace just to do your baby hairs if that's what you want to do. Earlier I did show you guys a parting space in this unit, and on the sides it's very minimal. You do have majority of your parting space here in the center, but it's not that much of an issue because you can still do a half of a half down. You can still do a side part. You can still do a middle part. You can even do like 2 ponytails at the top if you wanted to. You can still get away with doing some hairstyles on this unit, so you still get variety as far as the styling goes. But genuinely I would like to have more parting space on the side, and I understand why some companies do that. The reason why they have minimal parting space on the side is because they put tracks here and then it gives you a fuller look in the frontal area if that's the kind of look that you want to achieve. But personally I prefer a true 13x4 lace frontal. So the only con that I really have with this unit is that they don't give you a lot of parting space on the side, but nonetheless I still really do like this unit. I think it's very pretty, and like I said, it's perfect for this time of year. Just wanted to do something fun, something different, something, you know, a new cut, a new color, a new look. So if you guys are interested in trying this out, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Reshine Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. Shout out to all my subscribers out there, both new and returning, for stopping by and showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate every last one of you, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.